To receive constant, actionable tips to help you improve your quality of life, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Then tap the bell icon to be the first to watch our new videos. With our fast-paced culture and media overstimulation, it can be a daunting task to bring rest to our ever-buzzing brains. Here are 10 ways you can use to calm your busy mind. 1. Understand that you can control your mind. The first step in quieting your busy brain is to believe and understand that you can. It's actually possible to calm and control your anxious and overly active mind. 2. Focus on slow, deep breaths. You can practice one of the most essential parts of mindfulness and meditation, breathing. Begin by closing your eyes, then bring your awareness to the sensation of breath entering your body through inhaling and exhaling. You need to feel your breath go in and out of your body. 3. Play music that calms and elevates you. Music can be a powerful way to find your way out of a mind trap. Music can be used to manage stress, strengthen memory, and ease pain. Some examples are classical music, Gregorian chants, ambient sounds, electronic chill music, and Buddhist hymns. 4. Exercise more often. Engaging in vigorous and rhythmic exercise can be a great way to quiet our ever-busy minds. It simply gets us out of our mind and into our body. It's easy to indulge in your worries and anxieties when you're not doing anything or being idle. But by exercising, you move from a state of stagnant negativity to a positive and healthy environment. 5. Meditate. Meditation is a proven way to bring calmness to our minds. It encourages one to be still without reacting to the overwhelming thoughts in our heads. 6. Live in the moment. Many times we are so caught up thinking about the future or our future plans that this can cause us to have a super busy mind full of worrying thoughts. You can counteract this by learning to live more in the moment. 7. Keep a journal or a diary. When you feel you can't bring your mind any calm at all, write whatever it is that you're worrying about down in your diary. As you begin to write it down, you'll bring some calmness to your mind because now you're consciously filtering through it to write out the ever-lingering thoughts. 8. Practice yoga. Practicing yoga will give you a chance to connect with yourself, as well as give your mind a chance to welcome any healing that needs to be done. 9. Practice gratitude. When you start each day with gratitude, you'll also be helping to set the tone of your day. Simply reflect on what you're grateful for, and this will shift your focus from what you don't have to what you do have. 10. Read fiction. Reading fictional books shifts your perspective temporarily from your busy real life to a more creative and new concept in the book you're reading, and this puts our ever-busy mind at ease. What other ways can one use to quiet their busy mind? Please share in the comments below. If you liked this video, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to share it with your friends. For more hacks and advice on living a purposeful life, subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time.